Hey guys, it's Jessica with Search Scientists. By watching this video, you're going to learn how to answer the question that we get all the time. How long will it take to get results from PPC? Knowing how to answer this question reduces frustration, decreases wasted spend, and increases revenue. We have a whole series of myths versus reality in PPC to help you set realistic goals for your campaigns, so be sure to subscribe to our channel. To answer the question of how long it will take to see results, we're going to explain the concept of keyword testing. One popular myth is that paid traffic has an immediate return on investment. This just isn't true. The only immediate thing about paid traffic is that you get immediate data. You'll get information on clicks, click-through rate, and impressions right away, but that doesn't mean that you'll have a positive ROI your first week. Say, for example, that you sell blenders. Let's look at what the keyword testing process will look like. Here are 6 keywords, blender related. Which ones are going to do the best? We don't know yet, and we need to launch to get the data. So here comes the question on how long will it take to get this data? There's 2 big factors that influence how much time it takes. Those are, first of all, how big your budget is. Obviously, a higher budget means more data faster. It's easier to optimize an account spending $20,000 a month than it is for one spending only $200 a month. Also, how popular your terms are. You can see here that the term for Blender is incredibly popular. It gets over 3 million searches per month, while making soup in a blender is much less popular, only getting 210 searches per month. It's been a couple of weeks, and now we have some cost, revenue, and return on ad spend data to look at. We can see that some terms generated no revenue, some had a negative return, and some generated a really high return on ad spend. At the end of this first phase, we do come out slightly positive with a return of just a little bit over 2, but nothing too exciting. So what do we do next? Of course, we optimize. Based on that data we got back, we can recommend actions. This is the optimization process. We want to reduce the bids on things that have a negative return. We want to make things into negative keywords that are costing us money but not bringing in revenue, and increase the bid on anything that is already doing well. After we set those actions into motion and wait a few weeks, we get back some updated data. We can see that something that was performing poorly before the term blender now has a positive return on ad spend. The best blender 2018 that we made into a negative keyword now isn't costing us anything, and everything else has either gotten a better return on ad spend or has maintained about the same. And at the end, we've increased our total return. This is the PPC testing process. You have to realize that you don't have a crystal ball to predict if a keyword will be profitable or not. You need to test and you need to optimize. The longer an account history, the more data that's available, and the more effective optimization is going to be. To recap, PPC data on clicks and impressions is immediate, but the testing to find your best keywords and ads does take time. This time is influenced by budget and popularity of terms, and that's why we at Search Scientists have a minimum ad spend requirement of at least $3,000 a month and prefer accounts over $10,000 a month. Because the more data we have available to optimize, the better and faster that optimization can be. This is also why we have a money-back guarantee after 60 days to increase the return on ad spend or net revenue, because it does allow some time for this testing and feedback loop. Thanks so much for checking out our video, guys, on PPC myths versus reality. If you're interested in getting our thoughts on how quickly your campaign can grow, make sure you click the link in the description to see if you qualify for a free audit today.